Hi again. In this video, we'll continue exploring some of the most common jobs and professions in English. Just like in the previous one, each profession comes with a simple definition and a useful example to help you understand how it's used. We've grouped them into categories again to make it easier to follow. Let's keep going. Health and medicine. Doctor. A doctor is a medical professional who diagnoses and treats illnesses and injuries. The doctor examined the patient and prescribed some antibiotics. Nurse. A nurse is a healthcare worker who cares for patients, often assisting doctors and monitoring treatment. The nurse took my temperature and checked my blood pressure. Dentist. A dentist is a doctor who specializes in the care and treatment of teeth and gums. I have an appointment with the dentist to get a cavity filled. Optometrist. An optometrist examines people's eyes and prescribes glasses or contact lenses. The optometrist said I need glasses for reading. Pharmacist. A pharmacist prepares and dispenses medicines according to a doctor's prescription. The pharmacist gave me the medicine and explained how to take it. Surgeon. A surgeon is a doctor who performs operations in a hospital. The surgeon performed a successful heart operation. Paramedic. A paramedic is a trained medical professional who gives emergency care outside the hospital. The paramedics arrived quickly and helped the injured driver. Veterinarian, vet. A veterinarian is a doctor who treats animals. The veterinarian gave our dog a vaccine. Education. Teacher. A teacher is a person who helps students learn in a school. The teacher explained the math problem very clearly. Professor. A professor teaches at a university or college. My history professor gave a fascinating lecture on ancient Rome. Tutor. A tutor gives private lessons to help students improve in specific subjects. She hired a tutor to help her son with English. Librarian. A librarian works in a library and helps people find books and information. The librarian helped me find books about dinosaurs. Business and office work. Manager. A manager is responsible for organizing and supervising a team or a business. The manager held a meeting to discuss the monthly goals. Secretary, administrative assistant. A secretary or administrative assistant helps with office tasks like organizing schedules, answering calls, and managing documents. The administrative assistant scheduled all the appointments for the week. Accountant. An accountant prepares and checks financial records and helps companies manage money. The accountant reviewed the financial statements before the audit. Receptionist. A receptionist welcomes visitors, answers phones, and handles front desk duties. The receptionist greeted the clients with a smile. Salesperson. A salesperson sells products or services to customers, either in a store or elsewhere. The salesperson showed me several options before I chose the laptop. Consultant. A consultant gives expert advice in a specific area, such as business, marketing, or technology. The company hired a consultant to improve their strategy. Police officer. A police officer enforces laws and protects people and property. The police officer helped the lost child find his parents. Firefighter. A firefighter puts out fires and rescues people in emergencies. The firefighter saved a family from a burning house. Soldier. A soldier serves in the army and defends their country. The soldier returned home after a year of service abroad. Security guard. A security guard protects buildings, people, or events. A security guard checked everyone's bags at the entrance. Judge. A judge leads court trials and makes legal decisions. The judge declared the defendant not guilty. Lawyer. A lawyer defends or advises people in legal matters. The lawyer explained my rights clearly. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the others in this series. We've got more professions and examples coming your way. See you in the next one.